Okay, if you saw the video this morning, you know I pulled a potato out of here that was up on top, and I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 that are still on top. So we made the decision to dig up the potatoes. This is the first time we've grown them out here, so let's give it a go and see what happens. Well, that's not a great start. But it's getting better. I can't tell you what kind of potatoes these were, because I don't know, but apparently they're new potatoes. Because they're not real big. I'll pull all the, well, maybe it was just that plant. That's a decent one. He was right up by the top. This one, apparently somebody was snacking on. It's okay to go ahead and pull the roots out. Sometimes sometimes the potatoes come with them, sometimes they don't. But, I'm pretty impressed. I gotta take my glasses off because I'm sweating all over the place. Oh, there's a bunch here. Woo! Look at that one. How about that? Huh? Well, of course. Get on in here. Miss Jackie making her first on-camera appearance. Once you see her, you're not going to want to see me, so. Wow, look at these, hon. This is awesome. We tried this with sweet potatoes last year and got bupkis because the mice ate everything. I'm going to just throw this one away. Oh, man, this plant just keeps giving. We planted this in very loose soil, as you can see. Put some triple 13 down and some bone meal when we first planted them. And then just put the seed potato right down in them. Here, I'll clear an area and we'll stack them where we've been digging so we can get through them. Wow, I am very impressed. This is a good deal. We did not expect this. I thought maybe ones like that were going to be the whole show.
Look how rich this dirt is.
It is. It's very rich. And I think we'll probably come back in here with sweet potatoes, give it a go. Didn't work last year, but so I got hundreds hanging. No. Wow, look there. Hon, this is awesome. I am dying here. This is better than the peas. Yeah, just shake the dirt back down, throw the roots. Now, potatoes are a nightshade, so you can throw them in the compost pile. Just don't throw them in with the animals, because they tend to be a little bit on the poisonous side. I'll fast forward this. Look at that. I'll fast forward this during editing so you don't have to watch us just pick all these potatoes. But my gosh, look at all the potatoes. Isn't it? This is a good day. We even got these little tiny cooker uppers. That guy went deep. Now we'll set these in the garage and cure them for, I don't know, a week or so. Oh man, just one?
Yeah.
You can put them over in here too if you want. I don't know. It's like some plants just crank them out and other ones not so much. Like this guy over here. He only had, well, I take that back. He did throw this one at me. Wow. You believe this? I think that's about it for right here. Oh, winner, winner. You want these little ones like this?
Those are good stewed potatoes.
Okay. I have not dug these. That soil is so nice. See, we didn't need a shovel. Oh, one of your buddies popped up over in my... Oh, look at this one. It's a figure 8. There's a little potato man. Oh, wow, I can't believe that. I'm excited. We planted the red potatoes in this bed and white potatoes in the one right next to it. So we'll throw them all together when we're done and get a big old picture of them for you. Well, this is another first. I had never grown potatoes until this year. And this soil is literally the soil that was in our grow bags last year for the sweet potatoes. And we just complemented it with compost, black cow compost, when we planted them this spring and let them rip. And this is what you get. So nothing to it. Whoa, here's a whopper. Ah, he was on the top though. Somebody got a hold of him. That's probably it for him. Oh, geez. Look at this. There's like 30 little cute ones. Oh, he wasn't just going to give us one. Not a whole lot, though. He just put all his energy into the one, I guess. Oh, this is a good one. This is a good one.
These are some nice size.
Aren't they?
Yeah.
Get all of them off of here. We were hoping to get, 6 to 8 off each plant. Oh man, this one. Holy mackerel. I just put my hand underneath him and look.
Oh wow. Yes.
Oh wow, that's the biggest one yet. I think, well, I don't know. I don't know which way those are coming. But I think I'm done with this plant. And he gave us 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, potatoes off of one plant. Oh, we're doing this again. That's just all there is to it. All right. Here's another whopper. And then a little dinky one. Here's another big one, but I don't think it's as big as the one you had. I cannot believe this. Can you?
No.
I know they're perfect. We're getting spoiled here. Never in my life. I didn't think there was any chance of this happening our first time.
No,
Did you?
Neither. No.
Oh, your buddy who made you one big one made you two. He was over here. Oh, and there's more. He made you three. Wow. Did I tell you this is the first bed? We've got another bed over there. They're white potatoes. And this was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I think 15. I think there were 15 plants. And we're getting that kind of return on them. Jeez. I don't know. You couldn't have told me that would have happened. I wouldn't have believed it. More good ones. This one had a little buddy growing out of him. Oh, and our first sign of underground dwellers.
Where? No.
Oh, do you think it was a monster?
No, I just don't want to get
Anybody to get our potatoes? No way. I think it's probably good that I saw those on the top and we went ahead to get them out. Boy, this dirt is good. Look at that.
It's beautiful.
It is just perfect. And I thought it might be kind of wet because we had a good rain last night. But when the soil is this loose, that water just goes right through it and the plants just love it. All right. Is that it for this? Oh, no. I think that's about it for this one. Holy mackerel. So let me get the camera turned just a little bit and we'll show you the other one too. Now, I will tell you the other one was the potatoes that were on top, like this one. He's a white potato, but he's green like that. You don't eat them when they're green. That'll get you sick. That's sun scalded. They got a name for what it is that does that, but I don't know what it is. But it's yucky potatoes that have green on them like that. So you want to start there? I'll start here. Let's see. Turn this just a little bit.
Oh, wow.
We got more?
Look at this.
Where are you at here?
Are.
Huh?
Look at how pretty these are.
I got to get it over here where we can see that one. There we go. Look at those. One she just pulled up. Those are quarter pounders.
Look at that. This is one plant.
I'll take it. We'll just work our way that way. And then here, see though, like this one got 8. This one's green. This one's green. I just dropped those right over here. But there is a wad of them under here, I think.
Look at this.
Are you getting good ones?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, there's the seed potato that I just stuck my hand all in. We didn't cut these either. See, there's the seed potato. That's a whole potato we threw in there. This bed isn't as loose as the other one. This one has some fill dirt that we had hauled in on it. So I'm curious to see how this all turns out, because this is a little harder growing for them. Well, yeah. So we may not get as many out of these just because they had a little tougher conditions. But ones we're getting are good ones.
Look at these.
Yeah, I just pulled the top off, and those were just the ones off right off the top. I haven't even got down and dug in there yet. There's one. Oh, here's a lot of them. I say that. That one's coming off at that plant. Oh, here's a good one. Well, they don't have problem growing down in the clay.
No, they don't.
I feel bad because this ground needs to be dug up a little bit. It's got some chunks in it, and it's just not as good as the other two. I knew that, though. I knew it was going to be that way. We'll have to be a little more thorough with these.
This one's green.
Huh?
This one's green.
Yeah. There's the seed potato. Bunch of little dinkies. Well, I was going to say it doesn't look like we're going to get as many, but we're getting some quality ones here. Wow. Those two, oh, they weren't all off of this one. I don't think I've got this one's. Oh, crap. I hate when I do that. Yeah, this needs to be broke up. I'm a little sad.
Well, this is
Not terrible sad, but a little sad. Should have had the dirt a little more conducive for this. So I don't know if we're going to get as many, but we're getting some good ones. Just makes you giggle. You already got all those in the middle too?
no, I'm headed there now. Look at those.
Those are awesome. These are just harvest seed potatoes. Ooh, here's some green
Got
ones.
worms.
Good. Here's some green ones I can get rid of.
Look at that.
This is fun.
It is fun.
See, if for no other reason, this is why you should grow something. This is like Christmas in June. I guess. I'd say we got more red, but I think we got bigger white. Regardless, we are set for potatoes for a while. That is one plant. Holy mackerel. I don't know if you can see her because she's way over on the far end, but I mean, she's probably got 15 of them right there right now. They're still coming? Well, the red ones are where the quantity is for sure.
Look at this.
Is that a real potato? Wow.
This is one plant.
I know. We had one extra, so we planted it over with the onions. And it's got probably 15, 20 potatoes on it.
And they're big.
And they're all decent size, yeah. I would highly recommend this to you guys. This isn't very hard. We had good soil in 2 of the beds and kind of mediocre soil in the other ones. And they're just, did you find another? A whopper. Biggest one of the day. So, and they grow in both of them. It's just easier to dig in this stuff, you know, the other two, or the garlic one and the first potato one. It's just easier to dig in, but these potatoes grew. You got more still?
I've got these other 2 ginormous.
What is that? That's a potato?
Yes.
Holy mackerel.
Yes.
Look at those. Those are bakers. Are you done?
I think they are. Finally. I think that was it.
And we won't be long before we're harvesting those onions that you see over there too. Because they are looking mighty fine.
This is it.
That's it?
I don't know if that's acceptable or not.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's not.
It's just not but about 150 potatoes, so I don't know if that's good or bad, but we'll load these up and we're going to take them in the garage and lay them out so they can dry out a little bit for a couple of days. And when we get them laid out, we will look at those potatoes. That's awesome. When we get them loaded up, we will show you what the end result was. Yeah. So I'm not sure if I got the first part of that recorded, but how many?
26.
She just pulled 26 potatoes off of one plant that we had over there with the onions. A red potato. By the looks of things, the red potatoes are the quantity potatoes, you know, and quality, because they were all good. The white ones I ain't shaking a stick at. We're going to eat them just like we eat them red ones. But look at these red ones. Holy mackerel, did we get a lot of those out of this one bed. I guess that makes sense that that one had 26 when you see that many potatoes down there. Well, we'll get these lined up and we'll get a picture for you. But yeah, that was a good time. Give it a go.